Hi, this is Naomi at Techstar Registry, and today we are talking about thank you notes after your wedding. Very important to make sure that you take care of this as soon as possible. So first off, you want to order some thank you notes if you hadn't already when you purchased your invitations. Get some thank you notes, very simple. Usually people will put their new last name and something really cute, and have those ready for when you get back from your honeymoon. And then you want to take your guest list for your invitations, and also if you had a gift list checklist as well, and kind of combine them together, and then you can go through and make sure that you don't miss anyone. Now, if you got a gift prior to the wedding, you might want to go ahead and send that thank you note at that time, so you don't have to worry about it later and less thank you notes to write at one time. So very simple. Then you want to make sure that you personalize each thank you note to each guest. Very important. Whether they gave you a gift or not, maybe it's coming in the mail, maybe they forgot it, whatever, make sure you send a thank you note, thanking them for coming to your wedding, and personalize each one of those notes. Very important. And then you will put that it's from both the bride and the groom. And usually the bride is the one who does all of the thank you notes, and I'm not really sure why that happens. Maybe we should start giving that to the guys, but whatever. The point I was coming to was, if for some reason the bride may not know a guest or two, and it's more of somebody that the groom knows, the groom might want to do that thank you note for that particular guest to help the bride out, and also to kind of personalize it better, and that way they can make sure that they give it that personal touch as well. Very important. Now, it's best to do this as soon as you get back from your honeymoon. I would not put it off. Very important to make sure that you thank all of your guests, and the sooner you get it done, the better. Just takes hour or two to get them all done and written and sent. Make sure that you get those done no later than a few months after your wedding. I mean, really, it's pretty easy to get done if you keep yourself organized. Also, for those of you that are eco-chic, now there's a lot of couples that are, you might want to not send a physical note, and you might want to go for a thank you note online. And there's a lot of beautiful thank you notes that they have now online as well. Just make sure that you personalize each one of them. I think that as long as you send a thank you note to each of your guests, you're good. And just personalize each one, like I said, and your guests will be very happy. And I think that's it. This is Naomi at Techstar Registry, and I will see you tomorrow.